I am very pleased for the Attorney General who we represented in successfully resisting the claim brought by Mr. Enriquez. As you know, the attempt was to, in effect, stop the elections, which have been now scheduled for the 12th of March, 2025. I think that the judge listened very carefully to the parties, read tons of submissions that were filed by the parties, and came to the right decision. Just by way of reminder, Isani, this happened 4 years ago, 4 years plus, when the Belize Peace Movement tried to stop the elections in 2020. And Madam Justice Arana, as she then was, I believe she may have been the acting Chief Justice at the time, refused the application. So it is history repeating itself. I think there are a few things. The first is that there is no case that we have found, and none was presented to the court, where a court has ever intervened and stopped an election. Secondly, there was a number of cases from the Caribbean that we put before the judge that shows that once Parliament has been dissolved, the election must continue, and any difference, any issue you have is taken up after the election. What is surprising to me is that Mr. Ramlogan, who represented Mr. Enriquez, had written a document to the court saying that if Parliament is dissolved, the court has no jurisdiction. Yet when the matter was called up before the judge, he changed that document and put another one and deleted that paragraph. So I had to point out to the judge that Mr. Ramlogan was not being frank with the court because he knows what the law is. And we listened to him for 4 long, painful hours, go on and on without admitting to the court that the court had no jurisdiction. And so we submitted to the court, relying on decided cases, that once Parliament is dissolved, the case must continue and you take it up afterwards.